I'm not a surgical junkie. I managed to get my hands on some ghost peppers through my recent trip to Guwahati. These peppers are so hot that they put fire to shame. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we create an Assamese pork with the Bhut Jalokia peppers, some dried bamboo, and not forgetting the star, that's the Gondhuraj Lemons. Starting off, I'm just going to cut these Bhut Jalokia peppers into large chunks. I want the heat to come right in. A slathering hot cast iron gets nearly 30 to 40 mils of mustard oil. Look at that deep, rich color. As this comes to a roaring heat, into this goes 4 onions, just roughly cut up. Swish and stir it until it softens. As the onions soften, in goes nearly 2 kgs of pork, boneless, a perfect blend of lean and fat meat. Into this goes 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. In goes that zing of fire, the Bhut Jalokia chilies. And just allow it to render its heat right into the pork. A splash of some turmeric, nearly about a teaspoonful. 10 dehydrated red chilies that have been soaked in water and pureed to the finest paste goes right in. And this is what gives it that beautiful rich red color. Just going to season it with some salt. As we allow the pork to simmer on the slowest possible flame, into another pan goes in some jabra. So jabra is basically a local Szechuan style peppercorn, and the flavor is a tingling sensation, bang on. Dry roast this and pound. Halfway through the cooking process, into the pork goes 5 tablespoons of dehydrated bamboo to render that perfect acquired flavor. Just mix it and now cook it on the slowest possible simmer for a good 45 minutes, stirring occasionally from time to time. Simmering to perfection and perfectly done. All this does require now is that hand-pounded jabra right on top to aid in the zing and flavor of this creation. A quick stir. It's time to switch off the flame and just give this a splash of some zingety zing goodness right on top with this Gondhuraj lemon. Garnishing this is really old school with some finely shredded leaves of coriander. Now you can enjoy this either by itself or with some sticky rice. The heat is what's going to transcend this dish to a whole new level. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. The heart, the core of Assam, right in my kitchen. Truly the star is the ghost pepper or the Bhut Jalokia, with the jabra and the Gondhuraj lemons shining through, giving it its zingety zing. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.